Alright, next part for the Cad, I think, because it sounded like a wheel when I hit the ground with it. Sounded like a wheel when I hit the ground outside. Pretty sure that's what's in here. Let's see here. Got a really good price on this. Yep. 90 bucks shipped. There's some cheaper ones that was out there, but this one should be really, really good. So it came from these guys here. Probably another junkyard. On eBay. These only fit the Cadillac STS Sport one. Black paper, that's pretty fancy. Oh yeah, that looks nice. That looks really nice. I could have got one for 75 bucks, but it looked like a $75 wheel. First you do with the wheels, you roll it and see if it's flat. A dent in the rim will go like that real quick. Nice and straight. There you go. Wheel straight. That's all we need to know. So these are 16 by 8s or 17 by 8. I'm not sure what they are. So there you go. Look how nice. That's a really nice looking wheel. It's even got the STS badge. I tried to get the lug nuts, but no lug nuts. Just came out with a 98 Seville. 1 year older than mine, but same wheel. Yeah, no rust in there, no damage. That's nice. Way better than one in the car, I bet. Look at all this crap out here. I never did look at the wheel in the car to see how bad it was, but let's see if I clean all the dust off and rust out. Oh, this wheel is not savable. Yeah, I think that wheel's not savable. Yeah, I was going to try to beat that back and use it again, but yeah, I don't think that would work. I think there's an air leak in this one. Oh, you can see how it ran this up into the bodywork inside the car. That's where all the rub mark is from. So, I need an extra set of lug nuts. Yeah, that one's damaged. These are chrome covers that go underneath the lug, but I need all of it, the covers and the lugs. So if anybody's got any off a Cad, I need a set. At least one wheel worth. But yeah, my wheel's not rusty, it's just dirty because I never clean it. But yeah, that wheel's definitely, yeah, like I said, I was hoping to be cheap and just knock it out and put some air in it, but yeah, it ain't gonna happen. It's a good thing I got the wheel. Anyway, this one looks really, really nice. I'm happy with that. Made in Taiwan. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you. Oh, they wanted 250 bucks for it. Yeah, I didn't pay that for it. It didn't sell. Sold to me though. All right, I like this. Really good wheel. So yeah, that's a screaming deal there. So far I'm making on every part. I got a screaming deal on the wheel, screaming deal on the control arm, and a screaming deal on new hub. So we'll call this 100 bucks there, 60 and 50. So yeah, basically it's 200 bucks. Right now we got 200 bucks. Got 300 bucks more to go. So we're doing pretty good so far. But anyway, that's enough to get the car up on wheels again and drivable. Just right these parts right here. Now I don't even need the hub probably, I bet, but I have it just in case. Well, I do need to get a tire. Yeah, I'm going to try to get a warranty on a Costco tire. They have a good warranty system over there. I'm going to tell them I hit a pothole. I hit a pothole. Yeah, the curb. Bent the wheel, broke it. It was a big pothole. It rained a lot lately, so I'm gonna tell them that. See if I get another wheel, another tire. But anyway, maybe I'll get one for half price. So that's gonna hurt me because that'll be 100 and something bucks at least. So, all right, there we go. More parts.